Get in here, get in here, get in here, honeys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the must. Well, you've seen it on Instagram, hitting your feed all the time, every day, all day. It is Luminix Oral Essentials. If you are interested, keep on watching. All right, so most of you guys know this has been hitting your Instagram feeds like it is nobody's business. Now, I've had braces. I think I've had them removed for the past 2 years. For those who know me, know how I had braces, clear braces. And you know, the next step is to basically whiten, because of course, when you have your braces, they do kind of stain your teeth, and it's up to you to do what you have to do afterwards and make sure you wear your retainers. But anyway, so I'm very curious. Oral hygiene is a big must for me. Like seriously, even in a mate too, your teeth have to be nice. Like your breath has to be nice and fresh. And my little brother says I talk with my teeth. I'm like, shoot, let me show them off. I done paid all this money for them. Let me go ahead and show them off. But anyway, so I went online, and I didn't buy this online. To be surprisingly, they sell this at Walgreens, Vitamin Hut, Lucky's Market. I don't know. There's a different place. I bought this from Walgreens today. Today is Sunday, August the 2nd. So I just figured, I went on their website and it told you store locator. And basically I was surprised to find that they actually sell these in the stores. And I've never heard of the brand until it was hitting my feed nonstop every day. So Luminix, you know me with the pronunciation, Oral Essentials protects your oral microbiome, whatever, for oral perfection. Certified non-toxic whitening strips, minutes to whiter teeth, whitening without the sensitivity, enamel safe. So there's 28 strips, which is a 14-day treatment. And I did not know that it had the mouthwash and a sample of the toothpaste in here, because I turned around and bought the toothpaste. Now the toothpaste is really cheap. Walgreens is selling it for $8.99. This little kit right here is $37.99, which is basically the same price if you were to shop on Instagram or online or whatever. But I did not know, like literally the toothpaste was in there. I didn't care for the mouthwash, the same price of $8.99. I use Listerine, the whitening anyway. And of course I have like whitening toothpaste, which is Colgate, enamel, whatever. But anyway, so this was $8.99 and it is basically the whitening without the sensitivity. I have whitened my teeth in the past through the dentist, where they give you the syringes and you fit the trays. Now my teeth get sensitive like really bad, and I don't like how, and I've also ordered them online too, where you just pay for shipping kind of thing. The whatever the product, it literally, like, it feels like it's eating your gums away, like for real. And you know how they tell you to brush your teeth first and then you apply the trays or whatever the case might be? That stuff is harsh. Like after putting it on, I feel like my teeth are so sensitive, like doing this. It literally is so sensitive to the point where I can't even open my mouth and talk. Like air hitting it, cold, heat sensitivity, it's a wrap. It's like my mouth is completely shut. Like I usually have to take like ibuprofen to whiten my teeth in the past, prior to me getting braces. But I drink a lot of coffee and tea, so that kind of stained a little bit. But I like my teeth. I'm not gonna get no porcelains. I was thinking about them though. But you know, to each his own. We do have I think Dental Designs, which is like a famous Miami on Biscayne, where you can get your whole grill done and even add a little stud, a little diamond. But anyway, let me get into this, and I'm gonna actually apply it on, okay? So I took the cellophane wrap off, so, okay, so here we go. We have the toothpaste. It doesn't say, let me see. Now the toothpaste, it says, what this claims it does is basically Notable whiter teeth in 7 days. See results with your #1 treatment daily for use. Includes sample mouthwash and toothpaste. So unlike the whitening strip that causes sensitivity over time by using harsh chemicals like hydrogen peroxide to whiten teeth, Luminix whitening strips utilize a patent formula of coconut oil, sage oil, and lemon peel oil to whiten teeth without the sensitivity. So we're gonna actually do this. I already brushed my teeth. So, all right, so I'm gonna actually apply this on. And of course it has the mouthwash, and let me show you this. So that's the toothpaste, and this is the mouthwash. All right, so here are the strips. All right, so it's just 14 days. So I'm gonna actually do this, and I actually have my retainers. I have clear retainers. Like I have permanent retainers on the bottom. The top ones, I kind of pulled them out because every time I was doing something, it was like literally tearing my lips. So I have the adhesive underneath this, so my teeth are not going back in place. But here are my retainers. So I'm gonna put the strips on, and then I'm gonna put my retainers on. And it says for you to leave it on for about 30 minutes. It says remove top and bottoms from backer, apply lower strips. It says leave for 30 minutes, remove, rinse with water and brush, and then press. So I'm gonna try these for the next 7 days, and I'll do it for the first 7 days, and then I'll leave the other 7 ones for another, just to refreshen or to rebrighten my teeth. I haven't used a toothpaste yet. I use my own, the Colgate, and my Aquafresh, the foaming kind. So I have 2 types of toothpastes. I do one in the morning and one in the evening before I go to bed. It's like 2 different toothpastes, but I have OCD, so besides that. But anyway, all right, so let's get into this. I'm gonna open this up, if I can get into it. I'm gonna reach over real quick and grab an opener. All right, so here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I figured that. It was 7 in the first and 7 in the back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. And they do give you instructions on how to use it. And I will use my cell phone to do the 30 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So let me go ahead and show you this. So here we go. We're gonna open it up. All right. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All right. So I'm opening it up. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. And where are the bad boys? There they are. Okay. So, okay, here they are. So as you can see, there's the top, and then there is the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I read the instructions. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the film off, and you can literally take the film off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel the top off. Like literally, you guys are watching me doing this, and I'm gonna go ahead. And then I'm gonna, okay. All right, okay. I put my retainers in so they can stay in place. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. All right, peeling it off. As you can see, the bottom. This is the bottom part. Okay. And oh shit. All right. All right, I can see it. Okay. All right. And you can hear the click. All right. All right. I basically have them in, and I'm going to basically wait 30 minutes. And I will come back with you guys to show you what they look like in 30 minutes. Okay? Talk to you later. Talk to you later, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, I removed the strips. I was in the bathroom. I was going to show you how I removed them, but I figured that's a little bit too, I don't know. But anyway, I recorded it upright instead of sideways. So I did remove the strips, and you can see a slight difference. It do leaves white spots, so it does really work. It doesn't have that harsh chemical where you feel like your gums are on fire or that tingling sensation. For those who use any type of whitening gels, you know exactly what I mean by the hydrogen peroxide, or however you say it. It is really harsh, but this one is really easy. I was literally watching my animes. Don't judge me. I love animes. Especially for those who are cartoon fanatics, One Piece is my show, and it's like 1,000 episodes, and I'm on episode 300 and something. So I watched 2 episodes, and I left them on for about 45 minutes. Next time, I will leave them on for an hour. When I was taking them off, I, of course, removed my trays, my retainers, because my retainers are like the best way to keep them on. I brushed my teeth with this. There's really no difference with this. It tastes like regular Colgate toothpaste. It's not harsh. It doesn't have that burning sensation or anything like that. On the website, they sell these for $10, I want to say. At Walgreens, I bought this for $8.99. So I got a discount there. And I know on the website, if you spend over $40, your shipping is free. But when I found out that, of course, they have store locator, you just type in your zip code and you find your nearby stores. Like I said, Vitamin Hut, Lucky's Market, and of course, Walgreens is big on this. And I want to say this, these items were purchased with my own coins, literally my own coins. It's not sponsored by the company whatsoever. I wanted to go ahead and try these out. And the starter kit is $37.99, same price as online. And of course, you get the mouthwash and of course the a sample toothpaste. Now, my regular schmeglers, what I do on a regular basis, I brush my teeth twice, once in the morning and one in the evening. At nighttime, this is what I've been using. This is the Colgate Optic White Renewal High Impact. This right here, you will feel some type of way about this. Like, the sensitivity is serious, and it has hydrogen peroxide. It has 3% hydrogen peroxide. So yeah, I think after so many tubes, your teeth will get white with this. And then of course, in the morning time, I use this, my Aquafresh Extreme Clean with the micro active foaming action. I love this. I love the foaming action. It just makes you feel like your whole tongue and your whole mouth is clean. And then of course, I have my Old Faithful Listerine Total Care. I've been using this for years. For me, dental hygiene is a big must to do. When you think about it, the first impression you make is with your mouth. With me, it could be your face or whatever comes out your mouth. But whatever comes out your mouth I shouldn't greet it first. Like, it shouldn't be that bad where I smell your mouth. Like, for real. Like, that's a big turn off for me. Like, your oral hygiene says a lot. Now, not everybody have coins to go to to get braces or get veneers or whatever the case might be, but put a little effort into your oral hygiene. That says a lot about your personal grooming and how you feel about yourself. Now, I've had braces twice, one in high school, my junior year. I lost my retainers my freshman year at USF. And then my second attempt at braces was in my late 30s, and I just had them removed off May 16th of 2 years ago. And I want to give a shout out to Dr. Dominique Backus, my orthodontist in Birmingham, Alabama. Her portfolio, how she inserted them in technology is amazing. And I had clear braces for those who knew me. And she did a wonderful job. I highly recommend her if anybody is in Birmingham. Her and her husband, Dr. Backus, he's in Hoover, and she is in Mountain Brook area. So for those who don't know, I lived in Birmingham for 8 years prior to me coming back down here in South Florida. So once again, this video was not sponsored by anybody, my coins only. And I will do the first 7 days to see exactly if they whiten up to the way I want them to whiten up. Sorry about that. Nose was itching. And then I will leave the other 7 strips for maintenance or retouch-ups. And that's about it. So I hope if you guys have any suggestions on whitening strips or whitening gels that really is not harsh, please leave a comment below and give me some suggestions. After that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please hit your subscribe button and please hit your notification bell every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.